Hi, and welcome to the third video in our 3-minute video series. In this demonstration, we'll provision a new user and use that account to collaborate seamlessly with the administrator. These documents are from previous demonstrations and they are protected on the administrator account. So we'll navigate to the administrative interface to create the new user. So we'll type in the target email. And when we do this, an email is sent to this address informing the recipient how to install the software and providing registration credentials for him to use when registering the service. So we'll pull up the second email that gives the credentials and copy the password because we're going to go to a desktop instance that already has the software installed. So we switch to a virtual machine and we'll start the software and type in the email address and the password. And SSProtect will ask us to change our password as a result of the registration process. And then it informs us that the administrator has been notified via email that we have registered. This is necessary so the administrator can physically verify that the email reached the intended recipient and it wasn't intercepted and it's not being used by a malicious third party. It's very easy to access information, so we want to make sure that the information is not stolen in between delivery and receipt. So we come back to the administrative panel and the administrator validates the configuration, and now the recipient will receive an email notification stating that the software is ready to use. So we don't need to look at that. We'll just go back to the panel and pull up the user interface and show that this user is in fact installed and is not protecting anything as of yet. So we'll pull up the protected file list and it is empty as expected. Now we have a network map drive and we'll use that to get to the original desktop and bring over the Word document. So we'll copy this and we'll place it in a local folder, and it's orange to show that it came from an external source, and we'll just access it like we always do. We double click, we acknowledge our second factor token, and we can access the data. Anybody in the same organization can access and share this information seamlessly, just as if they were accessing data they created on their local drive. This will not work for third parties or anybody not provisioned in this account, and then a follow-up demonstration will show you how to create third-party trust associations where you can collaborate beyond organization boundaries. Thank you so much for your time and interest.